Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we will cover demonstrative adjectives. There is a separate playlist of adjectives in English language on my channel and the link of the same will be available in the description box below. What are we waiting for? Without any further ado or delay, let's get started. Demonstrative adjectives. Now, the word demonstration or demonstrative is already understood to be pointing out something, right? So, demonstrative adjectives point out nouns and pronouns and always come before words they refer to. So, what is the task of a demonstrative adjective? A demonstrative adjective will point out a noun or a pronoun, and the location of a demonstrative adjective is that it comes right before the noun or the pronoun that it is pointing out to. Okay, and they answered the question which one or which ones. So the examples of demonstrative adjectives are this, that, those, these, certain and such. We will understand each kind of it in the examples which will be followed after this particular slide. So basically demonstrative adjectives point out a noun or a pronoun and they always come before the noun that they are pointing, and they answer the question which one or which ones. And the demonstrative adjectives are basically this, that, those, these, certain and such. Let us talk about this. Now, this is used with singular nouns, right? And those singular nouns should be close to you, okay? So, one noun which is close to you, you will use this, right? So, have a look at this example here. I like this pen, it writes smooth, okay? So, we've learnt that this is used with singular noun and that singular noun should be close to you. So therefore the pen is near to you. Okay, so therefore this is used with singular noun and that singular noun is close by. Let us now talk about that. That is used with again singular noun but far, okay, something that is singular and far from you. For that you will use that. Okay, have a look at this example over here. I like that pen, it writes smooth. I like that pen, it writes smooth. So that is used with singular noun, but the pen is not kept near to you, the pen is kept far from you. So for that you will use that singular noun which is far from you. Now let us talk about the uses with plural nouns. Okay, so the first one is these. These is used with plural nouns, okay, which is near to you. Plural nouns and near to you. Have a look at this example over here. I love these flowers. Particularly the noun is plural and is near to you. So for a noun which is plural and near to you, you will use these, and in this sentence the flowers are plural in number and they are near to you. Now let us talk about those. Those is used with plural nouns which is far from you. Okay, plural nouns that are far from you, for that you are going to use those. Have a look at this example. I love those flowers. I love those flowers. Flowers are plural in number but they are kept far from you, they are not near to you. For near you will use these, but for plural items or nouns which are far from you, you are going to use those. So those were the basic of four demonstrative adjectives, right? So my dear students, this section brings an end to today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular notifications of the videos that I upload. Until we meet next time in the next video, keep learning and keep growing. And all the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box. Bye bye.